Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing haul video. These are from boutique.com. I got their BB bag and their Mask Maven. So it is a subscription box. They have Korean cosmetics and skincare. They are actually the reason why I got into mask, and now I apply mask every single night. It's crazy. I have here the BB bag for March, as well as the BB bag, no, not BB bag, as well as the Mask Maven from the month of March. I got mine a little late. That's why this video is not in March. It's probably already April by now. I will leave their link below. The information as well, like the price, how much it is, and then what country it is available. So I will go ahead and start with the BB bag. So it came with this pamphlet right here. Yung theme nila for this month is in like a lion, out like a lamb. Lion a lamb, don't let much unpredictable. So they have this little note, and at the back you will see the products as well as the information in English, kasi diba, some products do not have the instruction or directions in English, so they have that in here. So it came in this cute box right here. The first thing I see is this really cute foot mask right here. It is the Esfolio foot and heel peeling mask. How cute is that? It's baby's feet. It's so cute. Sorry. And then the inside, I haven't opened it yet, pero the inside, oh look, super cute guys. Wait, I don't want to ruin the packaging kasi sobrang cute. Wait, oh, la, foot and heel. Oh, yan cute. Looks like that. Oh, okay. So what's in here is yung parang yung fluid, tapos meron siyang kasamang, ito yung ilalagay mo talaga sa paa mo, like parang medyas, I think. Yes. So, isusuot mo yung medyas, tapos ilalagay mo yung cream. And then, ganyan na siya. And then, ganyan. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. That's so cute. Maganda na yan, diba? Kasi magagamit mo siya ng maraming beses. Depende na sa dami na ilalagay mo sa medyas mo. Or kung magagamit mo ulit yung medyas. I'm not sure. This one is $4.99 yung value. Okay, next one is another mask. I noticed na yung mga BB bag, meron talaga silang ini-include na mask. So, kahit na hindi ka mag-subscribe sa Mask Maven, meron ka pa rin makukuhang mask sa BB bag. Yun lang naman sa na-notice ko. Sa lahat ng BB bag na na-receive ko, meron talaga usually mask. So, this one is the Goat Milk Whitening Cellulose Mask. Looks like that. This one is $3.50. Napaka-medical, biology. Tignan. And the next one, ooh, toner. I like toner. All skin type goat milk toner. Nagtutoner ako araw-araw eh. Ang gamit kong toner ngayon is from Mario Badescu at saka yung isang toner din. Dalawa yung toner na ginagamit ko kasi malapit na maubos yung Mario Badescu ko. So, parang ini-introduce ko yung next na toner. And that toner as well is yung social looking na toner na from BB bag as well actually. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung ano niya. I will do my best to insert the picture right now para I'm making sense. Pero this one is this Goat Milk Whitening Daily Toner. Moisture effect and 6-free. Formulated without harmful ingredients to be suitable for all skin types. Perfect! This one guys, medyo may kamahalan. $16.99. And then, ito na yung pinaka-BB bag nila. So, if meron silang mga items na included sa kanilang BB bag, tapos hindi magkasya sa kanilang bag talaga, kaya nilalagay nila sa box na ganito, which is always good, you know. So, yung March BB bag nila looks like this. It's green, and I have 3 products inside. The first one is Enprani. This is, I believe, a makeup remover, makeup wipe. Yeah, silky tissues yung sabi niya. This one is $8.99. Okay, next up is this honey and milk lip scrub. Oh, this is from the brand APO. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but yung brand nasa baba. Meron akong ganito. Yung nail polish ko na lavender is from this brand. Kaya lang hindi ko siya ma-pronounce. $10! Wow, mahal ha. Mahal ka. Mahal tong maliit na lip scrub na to. Pero I like lip stuff like that. Like lip scrub, lip balm, because I use it all the time talaga. So that's good. And then the last one is this multifunction formula snail recovery gel. Let's open it. Ooh. Lightweight snail gel cream containing 74% of snail secretion filtrate. Wow, like snail secretion talaga. As in, totoo. This cult favorite. Oh, it is a cult favorite daw, guys. Perfect springtime moisturizer, balanced, lightweight, and great for all skin types. So it's a moisturizer. That's good. This small one, it's 45 ml, and this is $16. Wow, that's actually not bad at all. Si Dan ka-clap-clap. He's watching football right now, so maybe his team is doing good so far. Kaya lang, itong ano na to, subscription na to, ikaw yung mag-shoulder ng shipping. So, yun lang. Yun lang din. Hindi din siya masyadong kaaya-aya dun sa part na yun. Kaaya-aya talaga. Yeah, kapag ikaw yung nag-shoulder ng shipping. Kasi dumidepende din kasi kung saan ka naka-locate, kung saan ka nakatira, diba? Tapos yung ibang country pa, mayroon pang tax, custom tax. Dito, buti na lang wala kaming tax. Like, never pa ako naka-receive ng package dito na hiningan ako ng tax. Okay, so this one is the Mask Maven for March. Ang cute kasi meron na silang sticker. Oh, hello, spring! So, kapag Mask Maven, ganito talaga yung packaging nila. Itong lavender or like, yeah, pinkish lavender na pouch. Same theme, in like a lion, out like a lamb. So, nandito lahat ng information ng mga mask. And sa mask nila, you will receive at least 8, I believe. Sa March, Mask Maven, meron silang 9, which is good. It's always good to have more, you know, so... First mask is this tranexamic acid treatment mask. Brightening and nourishing. Ang cute ng packaging niya. Pang-brightening daw siya ng complexion. Araw-araw ko nagmamask, diba? Gabi-gabi ako nagmamask. And you guys, meron talaga akong nanonotice na difference. Like, mas maputi talaga yung mukha ko kaysa sa neck ko. Hindi ako nagmamask para pumuti yung mukha ko. Kasi I don't really care kung ano yung lagay ng, like, kung para saan yung mask. Gusto ko lang talaga yung feeling ng mask sa mukha. Like, pagkagising ko maganda yung feeling sa skin. So, hindi ko talaga tinitignan na, oh, this is for brightening. Pero, I noticed na mas... Babe?
Yeah.
What happened?
Quarter time when you're losing by 1 point.
We are losing?
By 1 point. No.
Next mask is this really cool looking one. Like, parang siyang holographic, or I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, or tama yung term na ginagamit ko. But, you can't really see it sa camera. I'm not sure if you can see, pero parang meron siyang ganyang ganap. This is the SSUL mask. Cute banana. Wait, basahin ko nga. Para saan ba to? Oh, green tea siya, guys! Para detox and hydrate with this blend of green tea. So, para siya detox and hydration. Char. Ay, ganon. I think I will be butchering a lot of brand names here. Maven. It's a soothing mask. Calming lavender extract soothes skin and helps relieve stress. Ganyan yung itsura niya. And then, bibilisan ko nga kasi feeling ko ang boring-boring yung mga mask. Okay, meron akong dalawa nitong Esfolio. Oh, diba? So, merong isa nitong Pearl Essence Mask Sheet na ang cute ng mermaid dyan. And the next one is Snail again. Snail Essence Mask Sheet. Oh, cute na to. This is the vitamin C plus arbutin na animal mask. So, magmumukhang sheep ka. Sana okay siya. Sana white talaga siya para alam nyo naman yung problema ko sa mga colored na animal mask kasi hindi siya dumidikat sa mukha. But this one looks really cute. This is from the brand Berry Some. Yep, so cute. Oh, another animal mask. Oh, this is cute as well. This is a cat. Red ginseng or ginseng. Berry Some animal mask. This is a tiger pala, hindi cat. Para kasing cat dyan, pero it's a tiger. Okay, second to the last mask is age-defying collagen mask. May real pulp daw siya, guys. Right there. Meron daw siyang collagen, vitamin E, green tea extract. Dami ng mga green tea sa mga mask, no? Yung moisturizer ko ngayon from Innisfree, green tea din siya. Let me know if you want to see. I'm not sure if you want to see skincare routine kasi ilang beses na ako nag-skincare routine pero totally different na talaga yung skincare routine ko. Sa last skincare routine na in-upload ko, ibang-iba na yung skincare routine ko ngayon. So, let me know if you want to see that kasi wala na akong na-notice na like pimples sa mukha ko. And then, yeah, well, let me know if you want to see that. This one looks really fancy, guys. Yung packaging niya, very fancy. I'm not sure if you can see sa camera, pero meron siyang mga, parang like, ano siya, para siyang ano, kumikinang-kinang, charot, may ganon. Pearl Modeling Foil Mask. That's interesting. Ano kaya yung ano niya? Foil ba talaga siya? Sabi dito sa description niya, look and feel like royalty with this unique skin-boosting golden mask. It's golden! Pero dito, ano, parang silver or platinum. Pero golden daw siya. We'll see. Iba-vlog ko siya for chore. Iba-vlog ko siya, tatry ko. I will do my best to vlog kapag ginamit ko na to. Anyway, that is everything from BB Bag and Mask Maven. I will leave all the information below, the prices, and the link to the website if you guys are interested. Last time na nag-unboxing ako, wala pa, hindi pa siya available sa Philippines, pero I'm not sure kung available na siya ngayon. Again, I will leave the link below para ma-check natin. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye!